Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. And today, I haven't had this in this year. I haven't had one of these this year. I canceled it last November, September or November. And this is my Ipsy upside down and backwards Glam Bag Plus. It seems like Ipsy's been doing a little bit better, so I'm like, I'll give them a shot. We'll see what happens. Month to month, I'm not subscribing for a whole year, but I'll give them a few months to see if anything is good. But some of the boxes have looked pretty good, so I thought I'd check it out. And I opened it up. It says, discover yourself. And then it's got a card and a bunch of stuff in here. Let me take that down. Can't see it. It was a mirror that was in the way. And it says, take a break. And it tells you ways to take a break. It does not have a card. It tells you what's in the box this month. Now this palette I bought with points, and this is the Violet Voss Creme Brulee palette. I'm really excited about having it because it is a really pretty neutral palette. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or give it away. Let me open it. It's got sealed with tape. I want to take a look at it. Tough to open. They mean business. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. What a tough customer. Well, it's real pretty packaging, creme brulee. And it actually looks like one of my palettes I have from Viseart. It's got the same kind of color, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but it's really pretty. I bought it with points. I'm just going to put it back in this box and decide what to do with that at a later date. Now, the rest is what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The first thing I get is a single shadow from, it says Color Boss. From Makeup Geek. No, it's from Color Boss. Looks like Makeup Geek. And, oh, it's Il Maquillage. Oh, and there's a little piece of tape on this too. My scissors are so handy. I'm so glad I have my magic scissors available. And it flips up like this. It's a really cool box. Crap. And this is very heavy. It's got a good weight to it. Let's see how I open it. Oh, it's real easy. And it's a really pretty color. I'm not going to swatch it. I don't use a lot of single shadows, but this feels very nice and luxurious. And I understand why they had the tape on it to keep it shut. So that's one thing. The second thing I have here is probiotic skincare from Tula. And I like Tula. I got a Tula eye thing from BoxyCharm last month. This is Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen. Oh yeah, I love a daily sunscreen. That is awesome. And this is at least $30-something for sure. I can't look it up because I use my phone to record, so. But this is at least $30, which makes it worth the box. And it's a great sunscreen, and I am totally going to use that. Oh, she found the other part of there's the sharpener. She's playing with the sharpener, and it's in two parts, and she was playing with one part, and then she found the other part to bat around. Because I just recorded a video before this, and she was batting around the sharpener part. Like a pencil. And then I've got a mascara, which is Tarte Mascara Surfer Curl. Ooh, Surfer Girl, that's a Beach Boys song, Surfer Girl. Do you love me? Da da da. Tell me, Surfer Girl. I don't remember all the words, but I remember the song. And this is a full-size mascara, and I'm not going to try it because I have like 5 mascaras open right now, so it's probably going to go in a giveaway. But it's full size and it's probably 20 bucks. It's Rhonda's guessing game. This is probably at least a $15 eyeshadow. Then I have Real Her I Amazing. And it is 24-hour eyeliner. Let's see if I can open it and see what color the eyeliner is. I have a feeling it's in brown. Looks black. I don't need another black eyeliner. But I don't have a black pencil eyeliner. But I don't use black pencil eyeliners, so she'll be in a giveaway in the future. We love giveaways here. We give stuff away all the time. And 2 things left. This bag, it looks exactly like the one. It looks almost exactly like the one I got in my Glam bag. They're the same size. And usually the plus is supposed to be a bigger size. And then the zipper's here, which is more annoying. And yeah, it's got a little airplane, but these bags are freaking annoying. I hate them. They're so cheap. Usually they have pretty good bags, you know, like that's part of Ipsy's like thing. We have bags. We give you bags. These bags suck. And the last thing in here is Sound Vision, and I chose this. And this is a hydroactive eye cream. I always need eye creams because I am over 50. And I can't fix these bags, but I can keep the rest of it from looking older. So an eye cream is always handy. And this is an expensive eye cream. It's probably at least 30 to 40 bucks. So I definitely have over $100 worth of stuff here. I don't know how much. This is at least 15 bucks. So we probably got about at least $100 worth of stuff here for 25, which is not bad. And so here we go. The eye cream, the eyeshadow. This has got a theme. The eyeliner, the mascara, the eyes have it for this box, and sunscreen. So if you like eye stuff, this is the best box you could have. I'm not overly thrilled with this box this month. It's all right. It's got, I mean, the things that I do like, I will like a lot. So it's definitely worth the 25 bucks. But am I blown away for my first one back this year? No. But this has been the July 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The eye stuff has it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you real soon. Bye.